Honestly, I get more voices in the bathroom. I don't know why. It's kind of like a portal, I guess, in there. I don't usually do them out in the living room because my father's here. Not that it really, I don't think it would bother him, but I don't know. It feels awkward. Can't put this stuff all on the bed either because he'd be there. Oh, wait, I'm seeing something. Where'd you go? You were on the bed. Where'd you go? I saw something. Can you light up those devices? I just saw you on the Kinect camera on the bed. Actually, I do see those K2s flickering. It's like 3 or 4 of them flickering. Can you light up the ball by the cigarette? Or one of the REM pods, or the bears? Or the pyramid, or the lantern? I really would like you to light up the lantern or that board against the pillow. Can you do it? I don't know who to address here because I don't know who I'm speaking to. I hear some familiar voices, but I'm still not sure who I'm talking to. Is one of you William? William, are you here? Or Robert? I think I've heard the name David and Jesse, but not recently in the past. Jason, James, Francis. Francis was a nice spirit. I think Francis, well, not to be offensive, but he sounded gay to me. And then there's some other spirits I think that are gay as well that say that 2 other spirits are gay, and at least the woman denied it. That was Elizabeth. And well, what about your name? Are you Elizabeth? Yeah, they said Christopher and Elizabeth are gay. Oop, they lit up the pyramid. See the red light over there. But then she came through and was not happy, and I think basically denied it. I think I got it on video too. Are you here, Elizabeth? Oh, that was Spanish. ¿Qué dices? ¿Puedes hablar más despacio, por favor? No te entiendo. And you are sitting on the bed. You sure are. Okay, well, I saw you on the bed. I don't see you lighting anything up, though. Looks like you're by the pillow. Can you light up something by the pillow, that black board with the white lights? Can you light it up? Is that too hard? Come on. Try, please. Can't hear you. You're drowning out. And those are fresh batteries, so it shouldn't be the batteries. Where are you at? Are you near the spirit box? Are you talking loud into it so I can hear you better? Usually they hang out by the... Oh, the K2's going off. Usually they hang out by the spirit box. And it shows up on the Kinect, but that's not where I'm seeing them. I'm seeing them on further up the bed. Are you laying in the bed?
Yeah, that's me.
Was that that's me or Jesse? I couldn't tell what he said. It's one of the two. Yeah, that's me, I think he said. Yeah, that's me. Who are you? He sounded young and possibly maybe Latino. I'm not sure. Kind of hard to tell from a voice, but... Are you young? Are you in your 20s? How old are you? I usually don't ask them how old they are. What? And I usually see things in the hallway there, around the corner, where those purple boxes are. I don't know if you can see, there's so much stuff in here. Usually I see stuff down the hallway there, walking by or peeking around the corner. And sometimes they come out here more. Or by the kitchen, I'll see things walk by the doorway. Or in the bathroom, when I'm in bed, I'll hear things in the bathroom and the dog will perk up. And there is somebody there. And you are at the head of the bed. Yeah, he's at the head of the bed. And he disappeared. Oh, what's the matter, Sasha? Did something scare you? Uh-oh, she's scared. Did it touch you? Did something touch you? Yeah, see, the dog reacts to spirits, too. Yeah, she was sleeping nicely in that bed, so I think something touched her. I did tell him to do that earlier. Yeah, okay, you can, let me put this connect down. Hang on. I don't want to scare you. Wait, okay. Alright, you can come up here, come on. Oh, you got scared, huh? Scary ghost. Oh.